All right, I've taken the tape unit out of the box so we can see it here. And you can see on the back side there is no circuit board. It's just a bunch of wires. Just a bunch of wires. There's a cable assembly here. These little guys plug in here, and this little guy plugs in over here. But this little connector here goes to the hour counter. Don't need that. And this little guy here goes to these two pins. Now these two here are a proximity sensor on a gear. So it's measuring, it's a tachometer, it's measuring the speed of the motor. And then the other wire is the motor itself. And then this little connector here goes onto here. And it is the optical sensor for the end of tape. Or I should say there's two of them actually, maybe for a backup. So we can sort of just flop this out of the way. And really, there's two, I don't know if these are resistors or I don't know what's under there. There's a little bit of heat shrink on them. I don't know what those are, but we can put some voltage on this and see if we can get the motor to spin. All right. All right, I've got some wires bodged into the back here so we can hook it up. And when we touch these two together, it might go. And there we go, look at that. So this is at 5.5 volts. Here's 6 volts. 7 volts. That looks pretty decent there for some type of, that doesn't really hold much, many hours though, I don't think, at that speed. Anyway, I can get it to go round and round and round. That's the important thing. So the next thing to do then would be to build some type of little amplifier for the reed heads. Now, the way that this thing works is that motor is right here in the center. There is no pinch roller to pull the tape. It uses this, you can't see it on camera probably, but there's a, there we go. There's a piece of mylar tape here that goes all the way around. So it goes across this roller, around the inside of where the tape is, and around where the inside of the tape is here, and then it comes in here and makes a little S turn with a tensioner. So it's actually just pulling down on the two reels of magnetic tape and moving them. Yeah, pretty strange setup. So let's see here. Let's back up. Let's go the other direction. I'll just hook up the voltage backwards. And it's not doing anything. Why is it not doing anything? Huh. I think, oh yeah, I think we lost a connection here. So let me redo the connector here. This thing's kind of in the way. Let's go ahead and plug this on so it's kind of keeps things out of the way. And where's my black wire? Where did my black wire go? I lost it. Oh, green wire, I'm sorry, green wire. Let's put the green wire back on. There we go, now it can go. And let's see, let me hold this up in the air so you can watch it go from the back side here. All right, now we can see it go from the front side. Yeah, so I don't know what speed this thing is supposed to be run at, but once we get a read circuit, oh, it's starting to speed up. Yeah, it's going to speed up because of the way that you're holding things. The diameters of these spools will be different, so that's why they have the tachometer in there too. You have to have a regulated voltage that'll speed up and slow down to keep things at constant speed. So I'll need to design that. But we now have a unit that should work. Oh, that little connector flipped off again. That's okay. We don't need him. I'll probably just cut him off. Let's take the hot wiring off. There we go. Yeah. Now there is this I guess it's aluminum. I don't know what this stuff is. It's a really weird color. Let's see. It seems like it's, I want to say it's not metal, but no, it's metal. Just got a really weird coating on it. It's aluminum, but it has this really weird coating. It must be some type of fancy anodizing that is better. Oh, here's some more numbers. $1975, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. It's a cute little unit.